My dear friends, my name is Bishop Sebastian from the Diocese of Mandya. I am most happy to welcome you for a beautiful competition which is undertaken by Mysore Carmel Catholic Association. And you know the theme is very interesting theme. The theme is Saint Joseph, the protector of families. You know, we are in a post-COVID situation and we are still online, and they would like to encourage all the young people from grade 5 to 7 and 8 to 10. You know, there are two teams are there, two batches. You can talk about Saint Joseph. You know, Saint Joseph is the protector of families. I want to invite all of you, because they are conducting this competition, inviting all the people in the Diocese of Mandya and Mysore, because precisely they are from Mysore, the Carmel Catholic Association. I want to invite you to participate that joyfully. And you know the reason? By speaking about Joseph, you will be able to know him more. By knowing him more, you will be able to love him more. And when you love him, you will be able to follow him. Because he is a very silent character in the whole Gospels. But he carries out what God is asking him. And you know what? Our responsibility is the same. Maybe we may be active or silent. It doesn't matter. We are called upon to carry out what God is calling us. So I want to invite you all people, those who can participate. More than a competition, it is a sharing, you know. You know, the first and the second and third will be chosen, and they will be given some wonderful gifts. But that is not the point. The point is that you participate, and they will give you the guidelines. I am so happy for the Diocese of Mandya that we are given this opportunity, and I invite everyone to join so that we may be able to know more Joseph more and emulate his life, the ups and downs of his life, the pains and sorrow of his life, and at the same time being with Jesus, the wonderful giver, the counselor, the savior of the world. I want to thank you for listening to me, and I want to wish you all the best, and I hope you will participate in this competition. God bless you and always keep you safe. Thank you.
Carmel Catholic Association is organizing an online elocution competition as part of the Year of the Saint Joseph celebration, subject to COVID-19 protocol. We request you all to cooperate with us by participating in the competition online. The details of the elocution competition are as follows. Theme: Saint Joseph, the protector of families. Participants: individuals from Mysore and Mandya diocese. An individual can participate only in one language. Time: 3 minutes. Group 1: students from class 5 to class 7. Group 2: students from class 8 to class 10. Language: English, Kannada and Malayalam. Cash prize: first prize ₹1,500, second prize ₹1,000, third prize ₹500. Judgment: judges will be an expert panel of 3 members. The decision of the judges shall not be disputed and will be final. Video quality: video should be of high resolution and not edited. All participants are requested to attach a copy of your school ID card. Last date for submission is on 1st of November to 14th November 2021. Thank you.
ಕಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಲಿಕ್ ಸಂಘ ಸಂತ ಜೋಸೆಫರ ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಸಿಸಿಎ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಭಾಷಣ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆದೇಶದ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ವಿಜೇತರಿಗೆ ನಗದು ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು. ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಇಚ್ಛೆಯುಳ್ಳವರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ವಿವರಗಳು. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ವಿಷಯ: ಸಂತ ಜೋಸೆಫರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪರಿಪಾಲಕರು. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು: ಇದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಂತ್ಯದವರಿಗೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕದ್ದು. ಸಮಯ 3 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳು. ಗುಂಪು 1 5ರಿಂದ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಗುಂಪು 2 8ನೇ ರಿಂದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಭಾಷೆ: ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲಯಾಳಂ. ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿವರ: ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಹುಮಾನ 1500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಬಹುಮಾನ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ತೃತೀಯ ಬಹುಮಾನ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ತೀರ್ಪು: 3 ಪರಿಣಿತ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರಿದ್ದು, ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವೇ ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ತೀರ್ಪನ್ನು ಯಾರೂ ವಿರೋಧಿಸುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಯು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ ಇರಬಾರದು. ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಯ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವ ಕೊನೆಯ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/11/21 ರಿಂದ 14/11/21 ರವರೆಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಗುರುತಿನ ಚೀಟಿಯನ್ನು ಲಗತ್ತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.